Hello, welcome to my channel Fashion Secret Nancy. Today I want to show you dark transparent carrots. Enjoy watching. The bottoms are just a pretty classic. Honestly, this material, this is so soft.